have to give him time, Billy.
I'm trying, Mom, but if you hadn't gotten me out of there tonight, I was gonna explode. Why does he accept me there if he hates me so much?
He doesn't hate you. I think maybe he's afraid for you or afraid of you.
Mom, I'm his son. He doesn't have to be
Billy,
afraid of...
you defied him. You challenged his authority. You stood before everyone at the quilt ceremony and you told them our dark family secret.
It was my secret, Mom. And it was also my choice to come out and quit lying about it. I know, I guess I knew that would hurt Dad, but I hoped that maybe he'd be glad I was being honest. Pretty stupid, huh?
I don't know, Billy. On some level, I think he's glad. I also think he envies you your courage and honesty.
Mom, I don't want Dad's envy. I just want his...
I know. So do I. But this is very hard for him to accept. I think he feels as though he's been a failure somehow.
Then he must think that I'm a failure. He's been okay to you, hasn't he, Mom? I mean, my being at home hasn't changed things between you guys, has it?
Let's talk about school. Are you and Joey planning any activities together this year? Sports, clubs?
I hope so. Of course, he'll be spending a lot of his time with Alana, you know.
He and Alana make an adorable couple, don't you think?
Don't I think what?
That Joey and Alana are very cute together?
Is that what you're really thinking, Mom? Or do you just wish I was normal like Joey?
I know it's like there's no solid ground underfoot. Everything's shifting, uncertain.
For you too, huh?
I used to be Walter Douglas's wife, Billy Douglas's mom. I never had to stand up to anyone, to challenge authority, to think for myself.
Well, I'm very proud of you, Mom.
You're a sweetie. You know, thinking about defying your father was horrifying. It seemed impossible. But doing it really wasn't that hard.
Why did you do it? I mean, what made the difference?
You. I love your father very much. He's a very complicated man. He's not the angry, opinionated person that you've come to know. But you're my son. You're a part of me. And I couldn't turn my back on you no matter who asked me to, even your own father.
Well, here we are, Mom. Strangers in our own home. Eating meals at the country club to keep out of Dad's way. Is it ever going to be like it used to be?
When we didn't have to think about things so much? I hope so. You know, thinking about things sometimes isn't so bad. There's a friend of mine, Mimi Coopersmith, who was very impressed with you at the quilt ceremony, by the way. She was talking to me about a therapist.
Therapist?
Who specializes in teenage problems. He did wonderful things for her nephew. A very successful treatment, she said.
Hold on, successful treatment, Mom? What's that mean? I'm not sick.
I know that, Billy. I didn't mean
Mom,
that.
I'm gay. I'm not contagious, and I don't need to be treated. I'm not screwed up in the head. This is me, your son.
But you were telling me how things were so uncertain for you, that everything was up for grabs. I only thought that if you talked to someone and tried to straighten things...
Talk or successful treatment, Mom? Which one? Because I'm not sick, and I don't need to be treated. And I thought you understood that, but obviously you don't. You just don't get it, do you?
Billy?
I'm gay, and I'm your son. This is me, if you can't accept me.
Billy?
All right. So when did you develop this power serve? Is that what you call it, you know? I returned it twice. Need to get my racket restrung now, thank you.
Yeah, I guess I just had this, I don't know, surge of energy, you know? Like all the bad stuff's behind us.
Yeah, I know what you mean. You know, a month ago, I really didn't think we were going to get through all this.
Yes, but we did.
Guys, it's not over yet, you know. I mean, you're forgetting something.
What? Oh, that's right. Oh, boy.
What?
School starts a week from Monday. Today.
So?
So? Joey, how do you think these kids are going to react now that they know their class president is gay? I mean, what's going to happen when I take the stage at the opening assembly?
I don't know. And neither do you. You know, they may be cool. A lot of people had attitude adjustments. Remember at the quilt ceremony?
That was the plus 30 group. We're not dealing with that here, man.
Hey, Bill. So they got a closet all fixed up for you at school? Or
No. He's out of the closet, remember?
Yeah, that's right. Hey, I hear you're going out for the synchronized swimming team.
With the rest of the girls.
Hey, you guys, all right, 1 second, all right?
See, Joe? It's not over. It's just beginning.
Gotcha, so
Well, you think you're slick, huh? Are you still upset about the guys trying to dish you back there?
It's hard not to be upset, Joey. It's like there's this static in the air now, you know? Before anybody knew I was gay, I'd hear people say homo this, homo that. And that hurt. But I had this kind of guilty relief because nobody knew I was gay. But now it's different. Everybody knows I'm gay.
Why? Only because that you stood up and said it. Well, of course there's going to be some bullies at school. There always have been. But there's going to be a lot more kids who accept you for who you are because the stand that you made took guts. And they're all going to respect you.
Yeah, right. Well, then what happens, Joe? The gay bashers and the bullies are going to start bullying my newfound friends.
I don't know. Do you?
No. And that's what's pretty scary. It's like I don't know what's going to happen next. I'm totally clueless about all of it.
It's gonna work out.
Look, I wish I didn't have to fight the good fight on both fronts. Home and school.
Your father still doesn't come around.
No. No, he hasn't. And right about now, it'd be real nice to have a dad who could look you in the eye and back you up. I'm still scared.